Hey folks, it's me, it's your boy Tony. Let's talk 5 best practices for using your heat press with dye sublimation. First, we want to look at our time and temperature. We want to leverage time versus temperature based on the substrate we are sublimating to. So for instance, if we're sublimating to a metal, we may want to go a lower heat for a longer period of time versus a fabric where we will go for a shorter amount of time but crank the heat up higher. Next, let's properly set our pressure. I like to fit test the pressure with a blank before conducting the real press. If the pressure needs to be modified, typically the press has a knob on the top that you'll move clockwise or counterclockwise. Another best practice is to clean our substrates before we press them. For rigid substrates, I like to use alcohol with a lint-free cloth. For fabrics, a lint roller should suffice. Something very important to remember is to always use tissue paper, as that will protect the press from any ink. Finally, pay careful attention to how your substrate and print will move before and after pressing. Before pressing, it's important to know whether you're going to be transporting the print and substrate together or separately. Plan that move accordingly. Excessive movement probably requires using thermal tape, so make sure to have some handy. After pressing, be careful when lifting the heating element, as things may have shifted during flight. Also make sure to carefully and quickly peel your transfer, as there may be enough heat to continue the sublimation process.